Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are okay and happy. So today's video is all about nothing. Yes, I just want to talk with you guys because I was inactive for almost 3 months. I mean almost for 18 days. It's almost 3 months. So I want to talk with you guys. So if you really want to know what happened with me in the previous 2 months, then please continue watching. Honestly guys, I have no idea what I am going to do today. Actually, I love chit chat GRWN videos. I watch so many chit chat GRWN videos, and those videos are almost 20 to 30 minutes long. But I really like it because it brings you closer to the creator. You got to know so much about the creator. So let's start with the makeup. I will mix BB cream and foundation together and will apply on my face. Yes, I have never seen someone is mixing these two and applying it on their face. I have seen people are using only BB cream or using serum or anything like that on their foundation and then applying it. But I want to know what I will look like and what will happen if I mix these two together. Anyway, so let's start with why I got inactive all of a sudden. Actually, it was because of my exam. It was June 2 or June 3 when I got to know about that from before 15th of June university will publish the exam notice. Okay, I have 5 paper on my final year, and I have to do presentation also, and I have done nothing. Okay, just imagine it's 2 or 3 June. Teachers are saying that your exam paper is ready and university will release the date of your exam before 15th of June, and you don't have anything ready in your hand. What you will do? I was planning to upload my next video. Let me show you one thing. See, I was doing research on my next YouTube video, and it was 2 or 3rd June, and also planning to upload the next video, and suddenly I got to know about it. Well, so update on the BB cream plus foundation combination was wrong because my face is looking little bit cakey. Don't try this at home. Use either BB cream or foundation. Don't mix this together. I was really confused. I was still planning to posting my video, and I was still working on my next video, but then I thought it's my final year and I'm not going to continue my academic study. This is my final year and this is my last exam of the final year. So if I miss this, I won't be able to do it anymore. I mean, I can do YouTube after 2 or 3 months, but I can't study for my academic after 2 or 3 months. This is my final year. Okay, but because of the lockdown situation my exam got delayed, and जो होने वाला था जून के अंदर ही अंदर, मतलब 15 दिन के अंदर ही होने वाला था, वो स्टार्ट हुआ अगस्त में. I mean almost June and July, 2 months late. Yes, and that's why I had to stop doing YouTube for almost 2 months. Anyway, so this is the reason why I stopped doing YouTube for 2 or 3 months. Well, if you follow me on my Instagram, you know about it, but if you don't follow me, go give it a follow, and the link are in the description box below. You can check it out. Well, I went to my relative's house after 1 or 2 years, and because of a puja, I met my sisters, I met my brothers, so it was a nice trip in between the lockdown. And after that my sister came to our home because her board exam was cancelled, so that's why she wanted to stay with us for some weeks, and I also made a video with her. I also tried vlogging because I don't like vlogs. Yes, I don't like vlogs, but my sisters like vlogs. So they always keep saying me, why you don't vlog, why you don't vlog, you should start vlogging. But I don't like vlogs, but the quality are too bad. Yes, I shoot from my phone, I don't have camera. So when I shoot, I switch on two lights, decorate the background as much as I can. I mean, it's just a simple setup, but okay, fair be. But when I am doing vlog, I can't switch on two lights because of vlogging. I can't decorate my background like this, and phone camera really don't give that HD quality which you really need. I discard it because that quality was too bad. Well, now let me do my kajal. Guys, 1 year back I used to like kajal a lot. I mean, more than eyeliner, I like kajal. But things have changed. I like eyeliner more than kajal. So kajals are done. Now let's talk little bit. Guys, I was really missing doing YouTube. I was missing the late night editing part the most. I don't like days, I like nights, and I used to do editing at the night, and I was really missing it. Actually, I was missing doing YouTube. I was missing keep uploading the videos and waiting for your comments. And also I want to see how much watch time I got, or how my video was ranking. I was really missing all the stuffs. But my exams are well, the biggest thing that happened in between the 2 months is I became an BTS army. Yes, I mean, I know BTS from the Dynamite era, but I don't know why I take so long to listen to their songs. It was after Dynamite when I start listening about BTS, about K-pop, and also at that time Jungkook become international sexiest man, and people keep trolling him. So that really makes me feel bad. I didn't know about BTS then, but when people keep trolling Jungkook because he wear makeup, he wear accessory, but still he become the international sexiest man, I really feel bad. Because when I see his pictures, I never thought he lacked any quality to be an international sexiest man. His looks, his pose, his dressing sense, everything is so perfect. But people still trolling him because he wears makeup. I think that's really lame. After they release, life goes on, I started listening their song, and I really like their tone. I really like their music. I can't understand anything, but I like their music. Okay, so let me tell you how I become an BTS army. Their songs are really nice. I mean, it really calm me down. It really soothes me. It gives me positivity. So at that time I was exploring their song, their new song, and I suddenly found Mic Drop. And when I listened to that song, it really erased all my negativity. I am actually kind of positive person, you can say. I don't think about the negative things. I always try to focus on the positive things. But I'm a human being. I can't stay positive all the time. So I have emotions too. I sometimes also feel bad. But at that time their song was really comfort zone for me. I mean, I was not sad for a very long time. I mean, I was listening them because it was really nice. I listened Mic Drop, and it really erased all my negativity. I fall in love with their energies. I fall in love with their performance, with their hard work, with their struggle. At that time, when I was going through the negativity, Mic Drop really helped me a lot. I listened that song 3 or 4 times, and it really erased all my negativity. And when I woke up on the next morning, I forget all the negative things. I don't know how I became really positive just after listening to a song, and it really impressed me. So I started researching about them, I started listening to their songs, and that's how I became an ARMY. People sometimes say you are BTS's fan because of their looks, but no guys, they are really handsome, but they are more than that. Okay, I really feel bad sometimes when their beauty overshadow their talent to the non-army. I mean, we army know what they are, who they are, but who are non-armies, who don't know about them, they really think that we are their fan because of their looks. It makes me sad little bit. Well guys, Jungkook is my bias, but OT7 stan. I have listened all their song and they are really good. I mean, they have all kind of song like party vibes, like if you are dealing with some negativity, if you are missing someone, like they have all of their songs. They literally make me positive. You should start listening to BTS because their songs are amazing. You won't believe how much beautiful their song is. Just start listening to it and don't be judgmental because they wear makeup. Okay, anyway guys, so I finally got my exam notice. My exam started on the 31st July and it ended on 9th August, and I uploaded my video after 1 week maybe because I was taking some risks. It's my final year, my academic is khatam, now I can focus on YouTube, so that's why I thought let's enjoy this. But guys, I really learned one thing from the final year exam. Actually, I was really worrying about the practical and the presentation because I know nothing about the practical तो हुआ ही नहीं भाई, पूरा कॉलेज तो बंद ही था, हम क्या एग्ज़ाम देंगे. लेकिन the practical are still good, and I thought like I was worrying विदाउट एनी रीज़न. मतलब मेरा प्रैक्टिकल्स अच्छे से हो गया, मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन भी अच्छे से हो गया, एंड मेरा फाइनल ईयर का एग्ज़ाम भी 5 का 5 पेपर भी अच्छे से हो गया. तो बट स्टिल आई वॉज वरिंग बिफोर द एग्ज़ाम. यू नो वॉट, एट द एंड एवरीथिंग रियली सॉर्ट आउट, एंड you don't have to worry about anything, but still I worry. But 2021 is going to be one of the best year of my life because this year I became an army. I mean BTS army. I really like them guys. I really like them. Well, it irritates me sometimes when someone make memes on them because they wear makeup, but it's okay, who cares. Anyway guys, so this was the short chit chat video with you because I wanted to talk with you all and I wanted to let you know why I was inactive. I hope you guys really get your answer. Now my exam is over, so hopefully I will be regular, fingers crossed. Hopefully I will be regular on my YouTube. So yes, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. And so if you really like this video, like कर देना and comment something if you really want to. Share it if you want to share it, and see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care, bye bye and tata.